bunch of bad guys came up and started throwing ship balloons, smoke grenades, glass bottles, started shooting paintballs at everybody. So I figured that these shields would be a good thing in case somebody comes in and starts getting aggressive. There's a way to protect them.
What's the American Wolf? Who are you? What's the American Wolf?
A man or woman of action, not words. So.
It's not going to have your little mommy revolution. It's not going to work. Whoever you are, you come. Where do you come?
Yeah, I'm not.
Oh, you went out.
No, tell some guys that if anybody needs a shield, yeah, this is for you. Here. What we want to do is have this is for protection. They're not weapons. They're just something to be used to protect yourself. If somebody comes, if a domestic terrorist comes and tries to assault you, they're not bulletproof, but they'll stop a ship balloon or a paintball or a baseball bat. So yeah, anybody who needs one, I've got the first 30 people who want them. And they're yours to keep. I guess for me. Huh? Are you gonna go for the garage? I got one for this kind of line here, but it's alright. Who needs a shield? Oh. Yeah, we're that makes you a target. Maybe some people can grab a couple of these and bring them into the group if anybody needs them. That'd be helpful.